In this video, we'll focus on how to seamlessly incorporate the videos you create in Sora to broader projects and workflows. Whether you're working on a marketing campaign, social media posts, training material, creative storytelling, this session will provide actionable strategies to get the most out of Sora. And being a video editor, I can think of Sora as sort of using two platforms, as using Premiere Pro and After Effects. I have another course about creating YouTube videos in Premiere Pro and After Effects. And Premiere Pro is the main software. After Effects is used more for the effects, and Premiere Pro is when you put everything together, you work with audio and stuff like that. I view Sora as using Premiere Pro, where you can create all sorts of effects, but you have to take the video, you have to take it to Premiere Pro, so to a separate software, do the stuff there, export it and put it in Premiere Pro. Because if you don't export and you work in the two software at the same time, you have to have such a powerful computer that most people don't have, and that's why you have to do the extra exporting. So working with Sora is sort of similar to that. Let's explore some of the most common ways you can use Sora. You can create unbelievable ads, and especially if you can work in both ChatGPT and Sora, you can ask ChatGPT to come up with something that hasn't been done before or that can catch people's attention very well. Put it into Sora. Sora will generate that, and in just 5 minutes you'll have a video that you would not be able to have otherwise, or you'd have to spend a lot of money on. The same for influencers. You can create very powerful videos that get millions and millions of views, and you can do it in seconds. Training and education is a big part to visually show what to do and how to do things. Just like we talked about with the robot, it does look like a movie, so scenes or concepts can be animated into films, or you can do some things with corporate presentations to make it more engaging, add some creative dynamic visuals. Whatever project you're working on, here are a couple of things to keep in mind. First of all, check the resolution and the aspect ratio. It's better to do it in advance. So if you're going for social media for the internet, 1080 by 1980, either vertical or horizontal, so 1920 by 1080 or 1080 by 1920. If you have any questions, let me know, but I hope this is understandable. Think through the video length in advance and what exactly you want to be in the video. It's so similar to creating or working on a video in any other industry, where you first have to think through and then do the stuff instead of doing the stuff and then thinking about what have you done. So sort of similar here. And to think through, I would actually recommend using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is super powerful. It's been around for a couple of years, and if you don't know, you can actually create custom GPTs. So let me show you. I did have to blur a couple of things, but as you can see, I have a couple of ones at the top, and these are the custom GPTs, and at the bottom, these are the things that I worked on and asked ChatGPT about. And in order to create a custom GPT, you need to click on My GPTs. If you click on Customize GPT, there's a bit less stuff here, a bit less options. But if you go into My GPTs, create a GPT, and then you press on Configure, here's how you create a custom GPT that can help you create ideas. So first of all, you can name it Custom GPT, and you can also put an emoji, and that's how you can remember it better. Here, add a short description about what this ChatGPT does, and here you give it instructions. Basically, just be as specific as you can about what ChatGPT should do. Make sure to click on all the capabilities at the end. And for instructions, it's very similar to what we went through in Sora, where you have to be as specific as possible, give it exactly what it needs to do, be as detailed and as specific as possible. The great thing about the custom GPT is you can upload files, and ChatGPT will be able to go through these files, and it will be kind of its knowledge base. And with that, it will give you a lot better results. For example, you can download books in PDF format and then upload them here. So just literally click here, find the file that you're looking for, upload it, and then whenever you chat with this GPT, you can ask it to go through its knowledge base, and the responses will be a lot better. So whether you're doing ads or social media content, for ads you can upload Russell Brunson's book and it will give you better results. Unfortunately, Sora doesn't have this capability yet. Then you just press on create at the top right corner, share this GPT, anyone with link, only you. And once you come up with all the best ideas in the world, practice more and more, you'll get better at it and you'll get better results because of that. If you have any questions, let me know. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video.